Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will now show you how to generate access tokens for an Instagram business account. Let's get started. Go to your Facebook page. Select the Boost Instagram Post option from the left side panel. Next, hit the Connect Account button. In the following window, click on the Connect button. Then, hit the Confirm button to proceed. Now, log into your Instagram business account. Then, select the Business option. Moving on, choose your business category and review your contact information. You will then get a success message once your Instagram business profile is connected. Now, you have to create an app on Facebook for developers. Hit the My Apps button at the top. Then, click on the Create App button. Enter your app name and app contact email. Moving on, select the other option as a use case. Set your app type as business. Check your app details and hit the Create App button. Next, you have to add products to your app. Click on the Setup button for Facebook Login for Business. In the following screen, click on the Save Changes button. Then, hit the Tools button at the top. Now, select the Graph API Explorer option. From the Meta App dropdown, select the app you created for the business profile. Under the Permissions sections, add permissions according to your requirements. Next, click on the Generate Access Token button. In the pop-up window, continue with your account. Then, choose the page, businesses and Instagram accounts you want the app to access. Review the app's access request and then hit the Save button. That's it. The app has been connected successfully. Beside the Access Token field, click on the Copy Token button to collect the access token. To debug your access token, navigate to Access Token Debugger from the Tools option at the top. In the following screen, paste your collected access token and hit the Debug button. Now, you will find access token info and granular scopes in one place. To extend the access token, click on the corresponding button at the bottom. After extending, you can also debug by hitting the Debug button. This is how easily you can generate Instagram access tokens. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best.